a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is shopping. Question number 1. Do you like shopping? Yes, I do. Shopping allows me to discover new trends, styles, and items that make me happy. Shopping is also a great way to learn about different cultures, as many stores sell items from all over the world. Question number 2. What things do you like shopping for? I enjoy shopping for clothes because it is exciting to discover new outfits that complement my personal style. I also enjoy book shopping because I enjoy reading and it's fun to explore different genres and discover new stories. I love shopping for home decor because it allows me to spruce up my living space and make it more comfortable and inviting. Finally, I enjoy grocery shopping because it is a necessary part of life and it is satisfying when I buy healthy, high-quality ingredients to prepare delicious meals. Question number 3. Are there many shops near your home? Yes, several shops are within walking distance of my house. The closest is a convenience store, then a bakery, a grocery store, and a pharmacy. Question number 4. Do you have any favorite store? Anthropology is my favorite store. I adore their distinct, eclectic style and the wide range of products they provide. They also provide excellent customer service, which is always a plus. Question number 5. Which is the most popular place for shopping in your hometown? The Central Market is the most popular shopping destination in my hometown. It is a historical landmark known for its extensive selection of fresh produce, street food, and locally produced goods. Question number 6. Do you prefer to shop alone or with other people? I prefer to go shopping by myself. Shopping with others can be time-consuming because we all have different tastes and opinions. Shopping by myself is both faster and more enjoyable for me. Question number 7. Do you compare prices when you shop? Yes, I do. This allows me to ensure that I am getting the best deal and not overpaying for an item. It also assists me in determining whether I am receiving good value for my money. Question number 8. Is it difficult for you to make a choice when you shop? When shopping, it can be hard to choose, especially when there are many things to choose from. It can, however, become easier if you take your time and consider all of the variables. Question number 9. Have you ever bought anything online? Yes, I did. My most recent Amazon purchase was a book last week. I wanted to read the book as part of my research for a project that I'm working on. Question number 10. Do you like online shopping? Yes, I do. It can be a convenient way to buy items and compare prices. Furthermore, online shopping allows you to shop from the comfort of your own home and have items delivered directly to you. Question number 11. What kinds of things do you buy online? I buy a variety of things online, including clothing, books, electronics, groceries, home goods, travel tickets, gifts, and much more. Question number 12. Do you like window shopping? I do enjoy window shopping. It's a great way for me to browse and get inspired. Window shopping allows me to investigate various stores and products without making any commitments. It's a great way to find gift ideas or just get a sense of what's available. It's also a fun way to pass the time and get away from the daily grind.